Hi. I thought I'd have a go at something I haven't done for a while. It's a crown and Mathew Walker, I guess. So basically just a single crown all the way around. Get it sort of shortish. Okay, so that's your crown. Now, this part is like tying a wall. So a wall is under one, like that. But we're going to go under everything. And the one we're tying with comes out here. So we're going to come all the way around and back up through there. So all the way around everything, the whole base. So you're going underneath every one of these. That's where we've come out, so we're going to go up through there. So basically now every one needs to come out of the next one. So that one comes out there, this one, next one comes out there. These get a bit messy in the loops because they cross over, but we sort all that out a bit later. So go all the way around. And you need to go under both and up that space there. Sometimes these are quite useful for this when we get a bit further, when we have to go through a lot more loops. This is the next one, all the way around. Under everything, and that one comes out there, so we need to come out the next one. Now this one again goes all the way around and comes out that space there. So push that down. Next one, all the way around everything. So it looks nice and parallel here, but it gets a bit messy on the other side. Actually, it's not too messy, it's quite neat. Usually it's messier than this and I have to sort it out, but because I'm doing it a bit more carefully for the video, it's working better, which is, there's a lesson in there, isn't there? That one came out there, so this one needs to come out there. So first of all we go all the way around. That one came out there. Goes up next door to that. And that's our last one. Okay. That's basically tight, so now we just have to tighten it up. So tighten the crown part of it first, which is all these ones. And then push that around, find out where it comes up. Going to have to keep pushing these up that way. Just like a regular Mathew Walker, just be methodical and a little bit at a time with all your tightening. So put a bit of slack into up this top part by tightening the crown. You can sometimes just sort of twist it around, which kind of pushes the slack down to this end. And start pulling these up again. That's quite a nice way to finish a cut of ninetails if you're working towards the tails, because it comes out nicely in the middle with a bit of a crown around it. That could be tightened up still a bit more, but you get the idea. It's hard to find which tail pulls which. Yeah. Okay, it's not too bad. So, that's your crown part, that's your Mathew Walker part. Hope you've enjoyed that. Thank you.